Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to add text to your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. So as you can see right here, I can see all of the websites that I have created, and here I even have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to be using this website right here that I have created called YouTube Tutorials. Now I'm going to go ahead and open it up by clicking on right here and opening it up in designer mode. So after opening it up in designer mode guys, you'll see that we will be greeted by this main page right here, and we have you go ahead and open up designer mode by clicking right here in the upper right corner on editing and click on request designer mode and click design here. After this guys, now we will successfully open up designer mode, and as you can see at the left side of the screen and the right side of the screen are our options to manage the website. At the left side of the screen we can use these options and features to add new elements to the website and edit it however we want. At the right side of the screen we have the option to style those elements, and we have the element settings that we can use to manage how our pages look. But yeah guys, let's go back to the left side of the screen. You will see multiple options such as the add elements option right here. Here we have the components option, the settings option, and so on. What we want to do to be able to add text is to go right here and click on the add elements option. Click on add elements guys, and this will now open up this new tab where you have multiple options such as adding sections or grids and so on, and you want to scroll down until you find the typography option right here. As you can see, we now have the option to either add a heading or a paragraph or text blocks or something similar. For today's video, I'm going to be using this text blocks option right here, and just go ahead guys and click on it, and now this will automatically add the text blocks to your site. So what you can do now is go ahead and edit your text blocks. I'm going to type in YouTube tutorial, and after typing YouTube tutorial guys, now we can go ahead and look at the right side of the screen. Here we can manage our text. We can change where it is positioned, we can change the color and so on. So let's say I just want to select the position, I'm going to select relative, then I'm going to just move it wherever I want in the page. As you can see here, we can now move the text wherever we want it and put it wherever we want it. So yeah guys, basically that's how you just add a block of text. You can go ahead and experiment with this until you find the text that you want to add. But yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.